Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create inverted corners in Framer. So as you can see, I have a section and the section width and height is on fill. Then I have a padding of 32 pixels. Inside I have a container. The container has the same width and height. And then if I scroll down, I have a radius of 40 pixels and the background is an image. Now I will switch the width and height from fill to fixed. That is temporary, by the way. So I will copy the width now, go to Figma, create a shape, paste this inside the width, go back to Framer, copy the height and paste it inside Figma. Now add a radius of 40 pixels to this shape, create a shape. Let's change the color, bring it inside and put it in the corner and add a radius of 40 pixels. Now duplicate it, select this shape and press Ctrl D to duplicate it one more time. Get rid of the radius, select both of the shapes and exclude them. Right click and select flatten, press enter, remove these shapes and leave only this one. Now move this to the corner again and get rid of the radius. Then in the bottom right field type in 40 pixels. Now make sure this shape is touching this one. Duplicate it and put it right here. Select all three shapes, press Ctrl G to group them. Let's change the color to white and export the shape as an SVG file. Bring it inside Framer, press Ctrl Alt Enter to add a stack, put the stack width and height to fit content and move it inside the container. Change the position from relative to absolute and let's align it to the top left and make sure you have a zero padding. Now select the container and very important guys, make sure that the overflow is visible. If it's hidden, you will see these borders which don't look right, so therefore make sure it's visible. Alright, so let's select the container and put the height and the width to fill again. And now here is how to make this responsive. Select the shape and double click. And now you can select these shapes individually. So what I'm gonna do is select the big shape and make it smaller. Now let's move these shapes like this. And if you want to manipulate this shape, for example, you can press enter and select these anchor points, press shift and then press your right arrow key on your keyboard and you can make this shape bigger or smaller. Alright, this looks good. And now if you would like to add a button here, let's create a shape, change the color. Now that is gonna be a very big button, but it's just to show you. So let me make this text bigger, press Ctrl X, select this stack, put it inside and change the position from relative to absolute. Now let's align it to the top left, add a radius, and now we can also add some padding for it of 10 pixels. And let's say on mobile you would like to have this much smaller. Let's make this button smaller. Let's select this shape, press enter, make it smaller and select this one, move it up. Now select the stack of the shape and move it up a bit. And let's check it out. And voila guys, that is how you create inverted corners that are responsive in Framer. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.